Biotecnika Lab Internships Mela 2019 launched. Biotecnika proudly announces Biotecnika Lab Internships Mela 2019. Starting from 11th March 2019 to 20th March 2019, we are going to provide hands-on lab training internships for all students. What topics are available? A vast array of topics are available for students and professionals of all age who intend to excel in the field of life science research and want to learn the latest from the veterans of the industry. Students are advised to chat with the Biotecnika support executives to learn more. CRISPR Basic Certification, CRISPR Advanced Certification, Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmacovigilance, Next-Gen Sequencing Certification Workshop, Module on Cloning and Gene Expression, Molecular Docking, Rasayanika Certified Quality Analyst, Protein Purification Technique, Immunotechnology Training, PCR Hybridization, Recombinant DNA Technology, General Biotechnology, Advanced Techniques, Industrial Biotechnology, Quality Analysis and Assurance, Pharma Biotechnology, Enzymology, Genetic Engineering and Microbiology Tools. How to avail? You can visit the link to learn more. stores.biotecnika.org. Book your classes for CSIR Net Coaching. Next batch starts 15th March 2019 and get any internship for free. Book CSIR Net Coaching. Next batch starts 15th March 2019 and get our highly rated CRISPR Advanced Certification or NGS certification for free. All the internships except CRISPR and NGS listed above are lab internships in Biotechnika's labs located in Bangalore. Kindly chat with us to know more details. Got questions? Or you wish to talk to an expert before you enroll? Dial 1800-200-3757 or 080-5099-7000 now.